Found an old beat in the junk drawer today. Blue with scratches and the logo had faded away. Still had your handwriting across the side. Tiny little heart that somehow survived. Crazy how a lighter can freeze time still. Take you back faster than a photograph will. Now I'm standing in the kitchen by myself, holding old memories off a dusty shelf. Got another one from a summer long gone. Backseat smoke while Tom Petty played songs. One from my cousin who moved away west. One from my friend I ain't talked to since. One from the night my whole life changed. One from heartbreak and pouring rain. Funny how these little flames stay alive long after moments and people die. Yeah, everybody leaves eventually, but little things remember everything. And every burn mark got a story hidden in the glow. My lighter collection full of old reflections. Tiny flames carrying memories, ooh, like pocket-sized resurrection. My lighter collection, broken hearts and lessons. Every flick sparks another ghost inside my chest again. There's one from the night I became a dad. Handshaking, nervous, happiest I ever had. Sat outside staring at hospital lights, trying not to cry underneath the sky. One from when I almost gave up hope. One from cheap beer and no dirt roads. One from laughing till my ribs hurt bad with people I thought would always last. Now half those names don't call no more. Life moved fast like a slammed front door, but every time that flame lights up, it's like they all still here somehow. Grandpa's lighter still works today. It smells faintly like his aftershave. Rust around the edges, cracked up gold, but that little flame still burns strong. Maybe nothing lasts forever, but memories survive in strange ways inside tiny sparks we carry through the dark. My lighter collection full of old reflections. Tiny flames carrying memories, ooh, like pocket-sized resurrection. My lighter collection, broken hearts and lessons. Every flick sparks another ghost inside my chest again. Some people keep diamonds locked away. Some people frame old accolades, but me, I keep cheap lighters in a box like tiny time machines. I forgot every burn mark, every crack, every faded logo. Looking back at younger versions of myself, still alive somewhere else. My lighter collection still teaching me lessons that love don't vanish when it ends. It just changes directions. My lighter collection, more than old possessions. They remind me who I used to be, and everyone who helped shape me. Sat alone while the night turned cold, flipped through memories in yellow gold, and every little spark that filled the room made the past feel alive again for a moment or two.